Hey everybody, welcome to the channel today. Today is actually kind of a really cool day for me. This is the first time I'm going to be reviewing a product that somebody's actually sent to me. And this is the Cup Holder Hero product. And I know that if you guys have been around the Subaru forum, you've seen these before, and essentially they advertise them as being floor mats for your cup holders. So it's a 14-piece set and comes in 5 different colors, and I'll show you those in a little bit. But I was contacted by them and they just asked if I would like a free set and would I mind doing a review on them, and so that's what I'm going to do now. And you guys are seeing them for the first time with me, and once we're done in here, we'll go outside and install them in the car so you guys can see what they look like. Also, Kyle was nice enough to offer me a set for a giveaway, so I'm not going to do that this video, but I will put up a video here in the next few days kind of detailing how the giveaway is going to work. I've been trying to figure something out for a while now to kind of give back to you guys for everything you guys do for me. So stay tuned for that, but we will have a giveaway of a set of these of your color choice shipped to you for free. So let's open this up and see what we have in here and go from there. I ordered the orange trim to match my limited Crosstrek. Just a shipping deal. So as you can see, it comes in this little package, and I'm just going to cut it open so I don't look like a dork trying to tear it open. So you can see all the pieces you get here, and I'll show you where they all go in a second. So they're actually, they feel, they're rubber, so they're supposed to protect your cup holder from spills and stuff like that, and to kind of give you your, whatever you're keeping in your cup holders, a little bit better stability, not sliding around and stuff. So as you can see here, they got little pull tabs on them to pull them out to clean them. And we'll see here in a second how they fit in the car, but they look pretty cool. So let's head out there and see how they fit. I just spent a few minutes and I put all 14 pieces in place, and in a second here I'll go around and I'll show you the pieces so you can get an idea of how they fit. My initial first impression is, number one, they look great. The orange matches really well, and number two, they actually fit in place excellent. Some of the reviews I read, the only negatives that I saw was that people wished they would have fit better in their specific cars. But in my opinion, they fit fantastic. I don't see a problem with it at all. I don't know if that may have been a different generation or maybe a different model vehicle, but as far as this specific set and the Crosstrek, they fit really well. Let's go ahead and go around the car and you can get a better idea of how they fit and see what you guys think of them, and you can make a decision on your own if you think it's something you want to pick up. All right, so I thought I would start with the front bin here and get a good look at that. It's a little bit dark, I apologize, and like I said, it's kind of hard to get lighting in here, but the orange looks a little bit brighter because it's the way the light is reflecting off, but it really is a nice match with the orange stitching, and I really think it adds a nice color, splash of color to the car. If you're someone that doesn't like the orange, obviously you're not going to like these. They do make them in black on black, white, blue, red. But and you got your lower door bin on the driver's side, and then the upper door bin on the driver's side. It really looks stock. It looks good. They did. And of course we have the passenger door and the passenger bin, and we'll go around to the back and check those out too. All right, so we move back here to the back door, trying to get a little bit more light in there for you. And you can see those guys fit pretty good. This is the upper door bin of the back seat. And then the cup holders. And then of course the two on the other side look the same as well. The only thing I don't really know is this little guy. I got to figure out where this goes, and I don't know that it goes anywhere. If it might just be a extra piece. I thought I read something about there's a thin piece and it goes up top somewhere, but I don't really see where they're talking about. So I'll just hold on to that for now. I guess that about wraps it up, guys. I appreciate, as always, you watching the channel and commenting, subscribing, and all that good stuff. I'm interested to know what you think of the Cup Holder Hero. I am pleasantly surprised at how much I like it. The first time I saw the product online, I think it was on the Subaru XV forum, it wasn't like, oh, this is something I really want. But now seeing it in the car and seeing how well it fits and everything, I think it's pretty cool. So I think it's something you guys would enjoy. And as I mentioned earlier, I am going to do a giveaway where you'll get a set of these for your car, whatever color you want. So stay tuned for that video to be in the next few days. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the weekend, and cheers till next time.